Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the decision of the Greeks to work with Marlowe in The Wire. Many viewers wondered why this powerful organization chose Marlowe Stanfield over their long-standing partner, Proposition Joe. This pivotal moment significantly shifted the power dynamics within Baltimore's drug trade. We will explore the strategic reasons behind this controversial choice and its lasting impact on the series' narrative. The Greeks, a pragmatic and detached organization, ultimately chose Marlowe for clear business reasons. Marlowe offered a significant sum, reportedly $400,000, and proved he was a force to be reckoned with. They recognized his relentless drive and understood that he would eliminate Proposition Joe regardless of their involvement. Their decision was a calculated move to ensure their supply chain remained intact and profitable, avoiding unnecessary conflict. This strategic shift had profound consequences within the show's universe. The Greeks' decision effectively sealed Proposition Joe's fate, leading to his eventual murder. Marlowe Stanfield then ascended to the top of the drug trade, taking control of the New Day co-op and securing direct access to the Greeks' high-quality product. This move cemented his ruthless reputation and reshaped the criminal landscape of Baltimore. To summarize, the Greeks' choice to align with Marlowe was a cold, calculated business decision driven by pragmatism and profit. Marlowe's aggressive tactics and substantial financial offer outweighed their long-standing relationship with Proposition Joe. This pivotal moment underscored the brutal realities of the drug trade depicted in the series. For more insights into complex narratives and character motivations, check out other videos on our channel. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.